This is the aluminum L-track, available in an anodized silver finish and an anodized black finish. Install is very simple and straightforward. Just need a few tools, a drill bit, some mounting hardware, a wrench or socket, a screwdriver. That's about it. If you need to cut for different lengths, either a power saw with a carbide tip blade. A common application for L-track that's extremely handy is putting it along the sides of a pickup truck bed. This is going to allow you to install the fittings anywhere in the track that you have the track installed along the trailer. So you can move those fittings anywhere you need for anchor points along the side of the trailer. In some cases, you may have a roll down cover or something over the bed that may have these brackets that get in the way of a full length piece. So this stuff's very easy to work with, very easy to cut. So what we're just going to need to do is measure between these brackets and cut a piece to fit. Once we get our measurement, we just need to mark the track and get it cut to length. You may end up with some sharp edges or burrs around the end, so it's a good idea just to take a file, kind of rub off those sharp edges. Once you have your track cut to length, the next step is to mark the holes where we're going to need to drill for installation. So just get the track where you know you want it. Once we've got our first hole drilled, the next thing we want to do is take our fastener. In this case, it's a stainless steel tapered head fastener, so it's going to sit nice and flush in that track. You want to make sure that whatever fastener you use sits flush in that track, so as you can move your fittings back and forth, you can use every available hole. So we'll go ahead and stick that through the hole and install our washer and nut on the back side. Okay, now that we have our first fastener finger tight in the hole, just kind of holding the track in place, one option or one alternative to marking every hole, drilling every hole, trying to get everything to line up, is get that first fastener installed finger tight, make sure everything is lined up flush where you want it. Then you can simply use the rest of the holes as a guide to drill your remaining holes for fasteners. When installing the fasteners into the L-track to hold it into place, they do come with a nut and a washer, but one consideration is to use some sort of a Threadlock product. This usually comes in a blue or red variety. Blue is a little bit more permanent. The red is easier to remove later if you decide, you want the rail to be more temporary, but just put a little dab of that Threadlock on the screws, and that's going to prevent things from coming loose as you tighten the nut on down the road. Finger tight. Everything's lined up where we want it. It's time to go back through and tighten everything down permanently. So we'll take a 10mm wrench, line it up with the nut on the back side, take a Phillips screwdriver, and tighten things up. And there you have it. Just a few simple steps, you'll have your truck outfitted with L-track.